The major problem with tar roads is that the potholes developed in rainy season. We have invented a new technology to, rather we have developed a new technology to fill the potholes. The issue with tar is that it is very much enemies to water. Okay, now we have developed a towel. You just put the towel into the pothole. Within 10 minutes all the water will get absorbed by the towel. Okay, now you remove the towel with a blower, a hot blower. You dry up all the moisture in the pothole now, and then you fill up the pothole with the cold mix. The road will be back into action within some minutes. Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot, sir.